If you're looking to personalize your Telegram chats and give them a fresh new look, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the chat theme on Telegram using the latest updated steps. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on your main screen where you can see your conversations. Next, tap on the chat where you want to change the theme. This can be any private chat or group chat. Telegram lets you customize each one individually, which is a really nice touch. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Change Wallpaper. This is where all the customization magic happens. Now you'll see different theme and wallpaper options available. Go ahead and tap on Choose Theme. Telegram offers a variety of built-in themes, including colorful gradients, minimal styles, and even dynamic backgrounds that can make your chats feel more lively. Take a moment to browse through the available themes and pick the one that matches your style. Whether you prefer something clean and simple or bold and vibrant, there's something for everyone. Once you've found a theme you like, tap on Apply Theme. Instantly, your chat will update with the new look. And that's it. Your Telegram chat now has a fresh new appearance. You can repeat these steps anytime to switch things up or customize different chats with different themes. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.